What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the inner grille mounting panel on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We want to take this cover off. We have 12 push pins to take off. I'm just going to use this trim tool. Remove these. We sell this trim tool at 1aauto.com. Now we got them all up. Just grab the panel, slide it up. Now I want to take these 4 bolts out. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. You need to take this panel off, so I'm going to use a 7mm socket and a ratchet. Take this screw up. There's a bolt that goes up right here. Just going to use the 7mm socket. I'm going to use an extension so that I can access it, and a ratchet. So take both of those screws out for the other side. Now we need to pull this panel off. I'm just going to use a little pry bar, get underneath here, pry this out. There's some clips that are held in right there. So just be careful, try not to break them. It's clipped in right there and right there. That actually came out pretty easily. Pull it forward. Now it's clipped in right here on the front. I'm gonna release the clips from underneath. So I'm gonna grab this from the outside, this trim piece, and then from the inside I wanna release it. There's clips right here, so I'm just gonna use the trim tool. There's one back here. You gotta get, once you get the first one out, the other ones come out pretty easily. I'll try to pull from outside the vehicle. I should be able to grab it and just slide it up. Just like that. So I'm gonna take these 4 bolts out of the vehicle. They're right in front of the grille. I'm using a 10mm socket extension and a ratchet. There's another one over here. I'm gonna grab the grille, slide it up, pull it out. With the grille flipped upside down, I'm going to take a 7mm socket and an extension and a ratchet, and there's 8 fasteners I need to take off. Just unscrew those. All right. And slide it off. Here's the old one. Here's the new one from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same, has the same mounting holes, has the same rubber weather stripping right there. Obviously the new one's not broken like the old one. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna flip the grille on its nose and take this plate, this panel, just slide this in position. I'll take all these mounting screws and get these started. Remember, it doesn't go in each one of these, only certain ones. So you gotta look for the little fastener on the inside. Just take the 7mm socket, extension, and a ratchet. Tighten it in. Remember, it is plastic, so don't tighten it too much. All right, now we're going to take the grille, gently line everything up. Make sure the wiring harness goes through there. There's a little pin right here. Line that up with that bracket. And there's a couple of push pins right there. You push those in right there. Right, now we're going to take these 4 screws up top, the bolts, get these all in up here, Before I tighten those up, I'm gonna install the bolts down here. There's four bolts that go in here, one here, here, there, and there. Just using a 10mm socket and an extension. Then I'm gonna use a ratchet. Now I'm gonna tighten all these bottom bolts, and then I'll tighten the same ones on top. Next, I'm just gonna take this bumper trim, line this up in the front. Get it centered in the front like that. You come over to the side, push this side in. And we'll do the same with the other side. There we go. Take this screw, get this screw started. Then there's another screw that goes through here. Once those are started, take the 7mm socket and a ratchet, tighten these down. Do the same for the other side. Take this panel, it's gonna slide in up top. We'll take all these push pins, reinstall them.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.